G'day, let's have a look at my red hammers. So the first two are Milwaukee's, this one's a WIHA, but let's just start here. So this is a 17 ounce framing hammer. We've got that smooth front, or smooth face on the front. This one is a 20 ounce curved claw, also smooth on the front. And then we've got the WIHA Electrician's hammer and a really nice smooth finish on the front. So these guys I use outdoors and fencing, framing, building anything, so retaining walls. These come in really handy. The framing one is definitely good because it's got that long handle, so you hold it down the bottom and you get a lot of leverage for actually swinging that head. It's not as heavy as obviously the 20 ounce, so if you're using it all day, this is pretty good and it doesn't tire out as much. But it is quite long, so sometimes it is a little bit too long and it can just be a pain to actually use it, so switch it up to this one. This is probably my favorite, just the general use one. I'll grab this one first. 20 ounce, a little bit heavier head. It's got a really nice bit to it. And both of these have that shockwave handle to them, so it will absorb a lot of that vibration because it is quite thick rubber. And they also do have this I-beam design stem, so that's just done for weight saving, but to optimize that strength of it. And I'm sure they would have done something as well with the vibration, so this would absorb that vibration. So these two hammers do have a coating on them, so this whole metal surface, you can see how shiny that is because it's still not scratched on the side. It's got a thick coating, just a clear coating on it that protects that metal from the elements. But you can see on the front of the head, as that gets used, that all cracks off and it does start getting scratched. So I think over time this will just start rusting a little bit, but not really a big deal. The two Milwaukee's also come with a magnet out the front, so you can see that little magnet in there. You can just put a nail on it and then actually start hammering that way, so you don't have to hold it. You just put it in, hammer it, and that's it. The same thing with this one here. It'll just hold that in there really nicely, and that's a strong enough magnet. It doesn't go anywhere. So again, this is outdoor, general purpose, whatever use. I just got this one recently because I put some furniture together, so I want to have a really nice indoor one. This is very small, super handy, and the thing there, look how beautifully finished that face is. So the best part with that is having a nice smooth face is if you're hammering down on something that is sensitive and you miss the nail, you'll hit the actual surface, but because that's nice and flat, it's not going to damage it too much. It'll obviously still put a dent there, but not damage it too much. It's also got this really nice black exposed bit here as well, so there's just a bit of plastic. So that's also if you do strike it, and if you do strike an edge, that bit of plastic there will absorb it and hopefully not dent the material as much. And it's got a really nice handle as well. We've got this really nice grooved grip. It's not as grippy as these Milwaukee ones, they just feel a little bit grippier. So it is just a different plastic there, but again, you'll be swinging this a lot less, so you probably don't need that much of a grip there. So that's it. That's just a quick look at these 3 red hammers.